Vikram Sarabhai is considered the father of space program of India. His full name was Dr. Vikram Ambalal Sarabhai. He took India to new heights in the field of space research and put the country's presence on the international map. Vikram Sarabhai made equally progressive contributions in other fields as well. He continued to work in textiles, pharmaceuticals, nuclear energy, electronics, and many other fields till the end. Dr. Sarabhai was a creative scientist, a successful and visionary industrialist, an innovator of the highest order, a great institution builder, an educationist of a different kind, a connoisseur of art, an entrepreneur of social change, a leading management teacher, and much more. Birth and education. Dr. Sarabhai was born in 1919 in the city of Ahmedabad in the state of Gujarat in western India. The Sarabhai family was an important and prosperous Jain business family. His father Ambalal Sarabhai was a prosperous industrialist and owned several mills in Gujarat. Vikram Sarabhai was one of the 8 children of Ambalal and Sarla Devi. After passing his intermediate science examination, Sarabhai passed the matriculation examination from Gujarat College in Ahmedabad. He then went to England and joined St. John's College, Cambridge University. He obtained the tripos in natural sciences from Cambridge in 1940. With the outbreak of World War II, Sarabhai returned to India and joined the Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore and started research in cosmic rays under the guidance of Nobel laureate C.V. Raman. After the World War, he returned to Cambridge in 1945 and was awarded a PhD degree in 1947 on his research titled Discovery of Cosmic Rays in Tropical Latitudes. Father of Indian Space Program. Sarabhai is considered the father of Indian Space Program. He was a great institution builder and established or helped establish many institutions in diverse fields. He played an important role in the establishment of the Physical Research Laboratory in Ahmedabad after returning to independent India from Cambridge in 1947. He convinced charitable trusts controlled by his family and friends to fund a research institute in Ahmedabad near his residence. Thus, on 11th November 1947, Vikram Sarabhai established the Physical Research Laboratory (PRL) in Ahmedabad. He was only 28 years old at that time. Sarabhai was a builder and promoter of institutions, and PRL was the first step in this direction. Vikram Sarabhai served PRL from 1966 to 1971. Establishment of institutions. Vikram Sarabhai had also served as the chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission. He played an important role in the establishment of the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, along with other industrialists based in Ahmedabad. Some of the well-known institutions established by Dr. Sarabhai are 1. Physical Research Laboratory, Ahmedabad, PRL. 2. Indian Institute of Management, IIM, Ahmedabad. 3. Community Science Center, Ahmedabad. 4. Darbhana Academy for Performing Arts, Ahmedabad. 5. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, Thiruvananthapuram. 6. Space Application Center, Ahmedabad. 7. Fast Breeder Test Reactor, FBTR, Kalpakam. 8. Variable Energy Cyclotron Project, Kolkata. 9. Electronics Corporation of India Limited, ECIL, Hyderabad. 10. Uranium Corporation of India Limited, UCIL, Jaduguda, Bihar. Establishment of ISRO. Establishment of Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, was one of his great achievements. After the launch of Russian Sputnik, he convinced the government about the importance of a space program for a developing country like India. Dr. Sarabhai emphasized the importance of a space program in his quote. There are some who question the relevance of space activities in developing nations. We do have no ambiguity of purpose. We do not envision ourselves competing with economically advanced nations in lunar or planetary exploration or in manned space flight. But we are convinced that if we have to play any meaningful role at the national level and in the community of nations, we must remain second to none in applying advanced technologies to real problems of man and society. Nuclear Science Program. Dr. Homi Jahangir Bhabha, widely recognized as the father of Indian nuclear science program, supported to Dr. Sarabhai in setting up the first rocket launching station in India. The station was located at Thumba near Thiruvananthapuram on the coast of Arabian Sea, primarily because of its proximity to the equator. After considerable efforts to establish infrastructure, personal communication links, and launch pads, the inaugural flight with the sodium vapor payload was launched on November 21, 1963. Other contributions. Dr. Sarabhai was deeply interested in science education. That is why he established the Community Science Center in Ahmedabad in 1966. Today, this center is called Vikram Sarabhai Community Science Center. Dr. Sarabhai's interaction with NASA in 1966 resulted in the launch of Satellite Instructional Television Experiment SITE during July 1975 to July 1976. Dr. Sarabhai initiated projects for the construction and launch of Indian satellites. As a result, the first Indian satellite Aryabhat was put into orbit from Russian Cosmodrome in 1975. Death. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, the great scientist who took India to great heights in the world of space and raised the country's flag in the world of science, died on December 30th, 1971 in Kollam, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Awards. First, Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award 1962. 2. Padma Bhushan Award 1966. 3. Padma Vibhushan posthumously 1972. Important positions. 1. President of the Physical Science Section, Indian Science Congress 1962. 2. President of General Conference of the IAEA, Vienna 1970. 3. Vice President, 4th United Nations Conference on Peaceful Usage of Atomic Energy 1971. Honors. The Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, VSSC, or Research Institute specializing in solid and liquid propellants for rockets, is named in his memory, located in Thiruvananthapuram, the capital of Kerala state. In 1974, the International Astronomical Union in Sydney decided that the moon crater Bessel, BESSEL, located in the Sea of Serenity, would be known as the Dr. Sarabhai crater.